Hi y'all, welcome back to Mattie's Kitchen. Today I'll be cooking the turkey drumstick with Italian dressing. And while I'm cooking it, when I start cooking the turkey wings, I'm gonna put a little garlic on it. This minced garlic. First thing I'm gonna do is put some garlic. A little minced garlic. Then I'll put a little black pepper on them. And what I'll do, I always mash my season in. That helps sometimes make the flavor. You don't need too much salt because I will have, when I make my gravy, I'll be using turkey gravy. So I'm gonna mash this in here. Turn it over and do the same thing. I always season both sides. So, over some pepper. A little salt. And this is what I'll be using when I just to bake it, the first baking. Because it can go in the oven 3 different times, and I'm gonna name my ingredients as I do it. What I'll be using. Okay, I'm gonna do this. You can all do this for Christmas. You know, you can use these for Christmas. Have something different instead of just cooking the whole turkey. And next I'm gonna put these right here. It's a green pepper. There's an onion and celery fresh. I already have cut these up and I'm gonna put them just around it a little bit. Put it around it so it can season in it. And like I said, doesn't matter the size. Just put them in there. This is for a beginner cook. You know, you can just cook this. It's simple. I'm sure you get all the things. I pre-cut it. I chopped the onions and the celery and the green peppers before. It don't matter. Like I said on all my videos, it doesn't matter what size it is. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little water. Make sure you put the water like in the corner of the pot so you won't take away the season. Just a little water. And I'm gonna let these cook for about, until they get done almost, and then I'll go to that next stage of telling you how to do it, how to prepare it. So I'm gonna cover this up with aluminum foil. And it take these turkey wings about, they're probably gonna cook for about almost 2 hours or so. Okay. I like heavy duty because it keeps keep it covered, keep it sealed in good so it'll cook faster. And then I'm gonna put this top on it. I preheated my oven to 400. I preheated to 400. And I'm gonna set this in the oven. Like I said, this is probably gonna cook an hour and a half until 2 hours. Set it in here. And I'll see you all in about 2 hours. Okay, the turkey's done. See how it came off the bone? That's how I like mine. You don't have to let yours cook that well, but that's the best way so you know it'll be done. I'm gonna set them, I'm transferring them out and put them in another pan. Take them out of this pan. And in another pan. Boy, this don't want to go in there. Okay. See how good that look? I think I'll put a little, you don't have to, because I'm going to have some vegetables. And I'm going to set this aside. Okay then, y'all, I'm going to put some olive oil in here. This extra virgin olive oil, just some olive oil. And I'm going to take my brush. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to brush it on every side so it can brown. Like I said, I like for mine to come up because I do not like tough turkey. So I'm gonna let it brown on this side real good. And I'm gonna turn it over after it's brown. I'm gonna take but a second because you can put your stove on broil. And it just will take a second. Set this aside. I'm gonna cut my stove up. Okay. I'm gonna put it in here in the oven and let it brown on each side. That'll take about Make sure you check it because that's not going to take long. Okay, see how good they look? They brown on one side. I'm going to turn them over and let them brown on the other side. I'm going to take in some olive oil and do the same way with this side. Okay. This side. Set it back in the oven. Put it up high. I'll take your things right here and put it high so it can do quick. Okay, now it's brown on both sides. It's so easy. This is for a person who's a beginner's cook because it's very simple. I'm going to take some gravy, turkey gravy mix. I'm going to put it in here in a little bowl. And then I'm going to add, this is the juice from the turkey that when I cooked it, this is the juice. I'm going to pour a little juice in here. Just a little bit. And I'm going to take this Italian dressing and pour some in here. I'm going to stir this up. I'm going to put a little pepper in here, just a little pepper. You just want enough to cover your turkey. You can serve this with mashed potatoes, and this could be another Christmas gift. I mean, a gift. Yeah, it could be a gift. If you give it to bring some people, I'm going to take and put this on the turkey. I'm going to let it cook. I'm going to take some fresh onions and just put it around it. There's some red onions. Put over it so it cook. Just put it over it. And when the onions cook, it's ready. And you want to cover this up because you already got the brown. You just want the onions to cook and the flavor to get into it. I'm going to cover it up again. Okay. Okay, I'm going to stir this up. And I said, this is the juice from the turkey. A little turkey gravy. Put a little bit more gravy in it just because I want to have enough in case I might have to start over. I got enough to start over if it's not enough. And I'm just going to pour this, stir it real good. You break up all the gravy. And you can serve this with some mashed potatoes, honey. So I'm just going to pour it over here. Pour it over the turkey and let it cook. Try to pour it equally. Turkey will be really, really good. And it tastes so good. Don't think it don't taste good now. I'm going to take and put a little of this Italian because it's gravy. I don't want the gravy to be too thick. Put a little of this over it. Might make a little bit more. Put some in here, like I said. Put a little of this gravy from the turkey. I mean, the juice from the turkey. And put a little more gravy mix in it. Stir it up. I know you're all ready for Christmas. I am, because I didn't do a lot of shopping this year. I gave out money. It was easy for me, people, you know, because some people, they don't need gifts. They need money to go buy what they want to buy. You know, and that's what I did this year. Like I said, I hope y'all have a good Christmas. This turkey right here could be used for Christmas too, a Christmas dish. It's a Christmas dish. Make sure when these onions and stuff get done, this is gonna be the best thing you ever taste, honey. I mean, it is good. My friend taught me how to cook this. Okay, y'all, see how it look? I'm gonna put it back in the oven so these vegetables can cook. They ain't gonna take long. This go good with mashed potatoes. And some vegetables like green beans. You know, get some frozen green beans and cook it with it. Make it fast. I'm gonna set this back in the oven until the vegetable cook. I'm covering it. I'm covering this so I can put the oven on started. Okay. Put it back in the oven. Let it cook. This is about what, 15 minutes till the vegetable get done. Set it in there. Yeah, I had boiled a few potatoes, so I said I'm going to put it on camera. I wasn't going to put it on camera. The potatoes are hot, so I'm going to put the butter in here and let it melt. And let buttermilk first, mash them down. Yeah, y'all can see it. And the buttermilk, that's simple. Mashed potatoes. And when I use in mine, I use canned milk. It's that evaporated milk. I like that better. So this is so, and it make it so good. I just made a little bit of them to go with that turkey. I peeled the potatoes and let them cook till they got soft. And if you really want to see, it's the same thing on my liver and onions. I cook mashed potatoes. See, I got butter. I use real butter. So, and I put a little milk in here. I have the stove kind of low so it can melt the stuff. And put some milk in here. Just a little milk. And that's all to go. And some pepper. A little pepper. And some salt. Just a little salt because the turkey, the gravy on the turkey is going to be a little, got salt in. I'm just going to put a little in here. Mashed potatoes is the easiest thing in the world to make. It don't cost nothing. I mean, just boil potatoes, peel them, boil them, put a little salt in them till they get soft, and take you a masher and just mash them. See, I got these. I use my potato masher to get them down. But you don't have to, but I mean, to make it look easier. And it's so simple. And they'd be so good. Fresh potatoes, I mean, I don't use instant potatoes for nothing because this is too simple. I boil this off camera. I boil the potatoes, and it's enough for me and my husband to eat. I'm going to set this aside until the vegetables get done. See how they are? Very simple. And sometimes I don't mash mine all the way because I've seen some people put them in a blender because I like to taste my potatoes too. You don't take beginners, or you can let your teenager do it for you. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside until my vegetable cook. Okay, you all, here's the finished touch of it. You know, serve this with mashed potatoes, some vegetable. And the reason I chose this because I know some people are out of work and you know, they're having a hard time for Christmas. And you know, you want to have something to eat, and this tastes really good with that Italian dressing and the brown gravy. It tastes really good, and so you know, you can try this. And here it is. That's the finished touch of it. Just a simple meal, easy to cook, and you might enjoy it for Christmas. And I hope you all have a happy Christmas. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and share it with somebody who don't have the money to go out and buy a big ham and stuff, because most people cook ham for Christmas, but this is something different. Try it with some mashed potatoes and your choice of vegetable, and may you have a Merry Christmas. And thank you.